Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you, whether you are celebrating Lohri or the Pongal or the Sankranti or the Uttarayan. I love the festival because of the food. And what about you? I know you will be saying, I only think about food. Basically, yes, I am a foodie, and being on my channel, you also must be a foodie. So here I am making these lovely till pedas, you can say. Yes, you are going to just love it because they are too delicious. If I taste it now, what do you say about it? Let's see. It's super delicious. I'm loving the flavor of the til. It has got a nutty flavor, and that with the peanuts is giving a beautiful taste. And you know what? It can be made within 5 minutes. I mean it, within 5 minutes. If your ingredients are ready, it just takes about 5 minutes. My mouth is full with the til peda. Let me first finish it. And while I finish this off, you just watch my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel also, and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. So making these sesame peanut pedas, you can make it laddu even. I have tried to give it a different shapes because I wanted a variety. So here I am making, I have taken the roasted sesame seeds. Actually I keep a load of, what do you say, a container full of roasted sesame seeds to put in my food. Otherwise you can simply roast it in a kadai. No ghee or oil needed for that. Let it cool down and then put it in a mixer jar. That is your grinder jar or the normal mixer jar also. So here I am dropping the sesame seeds into it. And sesame, you know, it is very good to have in winter because it keeps you warm. And now I am going to drop the roasted peanuts. This is optional. If you want to add, you add. If you don't want to add, don't add. And I am going to just churn it so that the mixture becomes a bit crumbly type. See, I'll show you the texture of the mixture. Can you see? It's not like a fine powder, but it's crumbly, so that when you eat it or when you have it, you find the bite. You can feel the bite of this sesame seeds and also the peanuts. So here I am dropping in a big bowl because yes, I have to make a mixture of it. So simply scraping out the sesame peanut powder from it, or the crumble from it. See, can you see? It looks lovely. And now I'm going to add the other ingredients. It doesn't require much ingredients. Here goes the stevia sugar free. As usual, you can use any sugar free you have. You can drop into that. And please use natural sweetener. And I'm going to drop the cardamom powder. That gives a lovely flavor to any Indian sweet. Indian sweets without cardamom powder is unthinkable. And here I'm dropping some peanut butter. This is my fine peanut butter. Some more goes into it. Unsweetened peanut butter. There's no sugar in it. That's my 1 kilo jar. I really try to hide it because I love peanut butter and I cannot have more while following keto or low carb. So here I am mixing it. You can first mix the dry ingredient and then add the peanut butter. But you know, I am a bit lazy and I want to do things instantly or very quick or very fast. So I am trying to mix it up. All the things together, you can say. So see, this is the type of consistency of the mixture I want. It should be holdable mixture because I'm going to form the peda out of it. So I'm just mixing it up so that the stevia also get mixed up properly, the peanut butter, the cardamom powder. Very few ingredients are required and this can be easily made within 5 minutes. And I'll tell you, this is very infectious, so please take hold of the portions. Yes, if you want, you can make very small portions out of it. I am taking a bit bigger portions, actually because for the video. Otherwise, I would again re-roll and make it half the portion of it. So that's the size of the ball I'm taking, or the portion of the dough I'm taking, you can say. I'm just rolling it out into a ball. You can roll it out into a ball even and make the til laddu or the sesame laddu, but I'm going to give it a peda shape. That peda shape is nothing, a bit flattened one, and I'm pressing it with the almond into it. These are your half almonds. You can press one almond even, but I'm using half because for the carb control, you understand? So that because already the peanut and the sesame has good amount of carb, using half almond into it. And see can you see, that is the lovely gorgeous peda. Yes, similarly I'm going to roll out all the dough portions. Yes, I'm going to roll out all the portions, all the dough, finish up the dough, and see, just see, can you see how I'm pressing it up? These are your quite thick pedas. Please, when you are making it for yourself, halfen the quantity. I made about roughly 15 pedas, and I think so you can make it at least 25 out of it. So these are quite big pedas, and you try to make 25 pedas out of it. See, can you see? Can you see the thickness? It's quite thick. And this is a lovely travel food, carry food, and you can store it without the fridge for at least 2 to 3 weeks. I know it won't last because you are sure to finish it up fast, but try to take control of that. And see, it's done. Can you see, it's looking gorgeous, and my festival food is ready. And I'm going to make some savory. I made one chirwa, keto chirwa mixture. That also I'm going to savor it because that is also left from my previous video shoot. And here comes the sweet. So my festival mood is done. What about you?